These 3D animation shorts are absolutely blowing up right now, getting millions of views. This channel gained over 250,000 subscribers with just 20 videos. Every single video averages 15 million views. The biggest one, over 20 million. They're monetized on shorts. 10 cents RPM times 180 million views. That's over $15,000 earned from just 20 videos. And in this video, I'll teach you how to create the exact same type of channel using AI. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars per video like they do for 3D animating these videos, you'll learn how to make these practically for free and still pull massive views. Polemod uses 3D animation style and AI character voices, and the concept is very unique. 4 AI characters are given the same impossible moral dilemma, and each one answers differently based on their personality. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just copying Polemod's car dilemmas, we're going to niche bend this format. If you don't know what niche bending is, it's a strategy Tim Danilov has been teaching. The idea is simple. Take a format that's already proven viral, extract the skeleton, and apply it to a completely different niche. Don't copy, bend. So what's Polemod's skeleton? 1. Set up impossible choice. 2. Ask 4 characters, same question. 3. Each answers in character. 4. Last one breaks rules, finds third option. And this skeleton works with any topic where a hard decision exists. So today we're going to bend this into the personal finance niche, because this niche has much higher RPM. For example, I gave 4 AIs $100,000 and told them they could only spend it one way to become rich. ChatGPT, index funds, Gemini, crypto trading, Claude, my product. Make every answer more controversial than the last one, because that's what sparks debates in the comments. The skeleton stays the same, but the niche is completely different, and so is the audience. And you can bend this into anything. AIs control a football team. AIs plan the perfect crime. AIs survive on a deserted island. The format is endless, because it's not about cars, it's about opinions. And there are as many opinions as there are people in the world. Now, here's how to actually make the video. I prepared a special guide for you with all instructions you will need to copy the Polemod channel. Link is in the description. Copy the master prompt from the guide. Open Claude, paste the prompt, and send it. You'll instantly get 5 dilemma scenarios for your chosen niche. If you want more, just type more and send it again. Now, because of my master prompt, all you need to do is pick one idea, send it, and it will instantly write you the full script. All 4 character responses. Ready to go. Now voiceovers. You need 5 different voices, 1 narrator, and 4 AI characters. Use 11 Labs. Sign up, you'll get free tier to start, but for regular production, you'll need the starter plan for approximately $6 per month. We've prepared voice recommendations for every character in your script. Inside our guide, you'll find a special link for each one. Just click it, and 11 Labs will open with the voice filters already applied. Generate each AI character separately, and save it. Now we're moving on to image generation part. Now copy the Gemini prompt from my guide for image generation and paste it into Claude. Don't open new session. You'll receive all image generating prompts in a single response. Here you can clearly see all the scenes you will need. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Go to Gemini, paste first prompt. Don't worry, prompt will automatically generate 9 to 16 image. Download, repeat for all the other scenes. Add downloaded images to folder because you'll need them later. Go to our guide and copy Kling AI prompt. Open Claude and paste it into the same session again to get description for each scene. You will get all your video generation prompts for Kling AI ready to go. Now we have all prompts we need to turn images into videos, so go to Kling AI and select 3.0 model. Upload image for the first scene. Paste description generated by Claude to Kling AI. Select video length 3 to 5 seconds. Press generate and repeat for each image. And lastly, the editing part. Open CapCut. All you need to do is add your clips in order, add voiceover, and sync audio to match the video. Keep total length between 40 and 50 seconds. Grok's answer always goes last and delivers unpredictable response. Add dramatic music during the setup. Then drop it completely when Grok speaks. The silence makes his punchline land. Now let's see the final result of the video we made. It's very close to what Polemod is doing, and we haven't spent a single dollar. Polemod spends around $150 per video. And remember, these videos can generate hundreds of millions of views if you do it right. You can bend this into sports, history, gaming, or anything else. If you execute fast, you have a chance to own the niche before anyone else does, exactly like Polemod did. In description of the video, you can find link to this guide. Comment your niche bend ideas and follow for more.